Romeo Kilo, contact departure, good day.
Departure, thanks, Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo. Syracuse departure, Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo is 800, climbing 4,000, runway heading.
Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo, Syracuse departure, radar contact, verified passing 1,000, turn left hang 150.
Left turn 150 and I'm passing 1,000, Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo.
Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo, altitude check, climb maintain 7,000.
Climb maintain 7,000, Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo, thanks. Direct Schenectady for 312 Romeo Kilo, thanks. Syracuse approach, Mayday, 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 Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo, we have a CO detector high. We need to go back to Syracuse immediately.
612 Romeo Kilo, roger, turn left heading 010. When able, say your reason for emergency and any assistance you need on the ground.
Negative assistance, CO level high, Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo.
Cirrus 3 Romeo Kilo, descend to maintain 2,600.
2,600, Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo.
Cirrus 3 Romeo Kilo, when able, say souls on board and fuel remaining.
We got like 4 hours of fuel remaining, 3 souls on board. The CO detector seems to have went down, still a little stuffy in here. ILS 28, please.
Yes. Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo, 6 miles from Zimby, turn left hang 310, maintain 2,600 till establish on localizer cleared, ILS runway 28 approach.
310, 2,000 till establish on the localizer, cleared ILS 28, Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo, thanks.
Cirrus 2 Romeo Kilo, that'll be 2,600 till establish on the approach, still clear for the approach.
2,600, Romeo Kilo, thanks. Syracuse Tower, Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo, ILS 28.
Cirrus 2 Romeo Kilo, caution wake service departing CRJ7.
Caution wake, thanks, Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo. Tower, Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo, just remind me, clear to land 28.
Cirrus 2 Romeo Kilo, affirmative runway 28, clear to land.
Clear to land 28, thanks, Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo.
November 2 Romeo Kilo, same intention.
We can, like, land long, whatever you guys want to do, get us back to Millionaire. We're feeling much better, thank you.
Alright, 2 Romeo Kilo, long landing approved.
Long landing, Cirrus 312 Romeo Kilo, thanks.
Kilo, roll down to Zulu, turn right. Correction, turn right on Zulu, left turn Alpha all the way down on Millionaire. Remain this frequency.
Right turn Zulu, left on Alpha to Millionaire. Thanks for help, guys. 312 Romeo Kilo.
Problem, hope everything's okay.